Hey guys, I'm finally bringing to you my long-awaited scented clear slime tutorial. Follow along for my tips. So you're going to start with making sure all of your utensils are super clean. I always clean my hands about 20 times making any batch of clear slime. You see any little bits like this stuck on something, make sure you clean it off. Get off of there. Next, you're going to make your activator. I use 1.5 cups of hot water with 1.5 teaspoons of borax. I'm pretty generous with my portions, so just keep that in note. So they're kind of heaping teaspoons. And then I stir it and make sure that everything is completely dissolved before I'm finished with it. So all of this is going to be completely clear, and then I actually let this cool down as well. So I'll let it cool for a couple hours. The reason I let it cool is to make sure that the solution is actually completely clear. I don't want any mishaps. Now for the good stuff. Add your glue. So I'm using a 5-ounce bottle of glue right here. I'm not showing a brand because I'm not sponsored. And I try to get out every last bit. I'll usually actually just let them sit upside down for a while. My next step is to add glycerin. I add 1/2 teaspoon to 5 ounces of glue. You're going to want to make sure that you're very thorough when you're stirring this into your glue. Now you're going to add your scent. If you use this cap, you can actually portion it correctly by using the tip for 5 ounces or the whole entire cap for a quart. Now mix this into your glue. You can now begin activating your slime as you normally would. I recommend using 1/2 teaspoon at a time. I'm really impatient, and so you can see me adding a ton here. Your slime is going to start looking white and frothy, and that's perfectly normal. Those bubbles are going to go away, don't worry. I like to let mine set for about 30 minutes just so I can make sure it's the texture that I want it. So this one is looking perfect. I'm going to stretch it a little bit to make sure it's where I want it exactly, and then I'll pack it away. So I will let them debubble for about a week. I had this one in the fridge that I did last week in prep for this video, and it's almost fully debubbled, so I think it's good enough. As you can see, this has created a really nice and thick scented clear slime. Now enjoy some ASMR.